Multiwolf, or Multitool, designed by wolf_designs48 of Instagram. Here we have primarily a bottle opener constructed of titanium with tritium red tubes inserted as eyes. Very cool design. This one's a little bit worn. I've been wearing it just about every day for around 2 months. And it is my primary bottle opener, which I am a bartender, and it works very good for that. The mouth does function as a 5mm hex, but again, for me, this is just primarily a bottle opener. It's one of my favorite items in my EDC loadout. It's very unintrusive, just throwing it in the pocket. But the way I like to carry this is on this little contraption here that goes through my belt. I have this, and it just comes and it sits right against my leg like that. The finger diameter is 1 inch. I do spin it around, which works well. I just can't freely spin it the way I'm filming this right now, but I'll kind of demonstrate how it works on a Goose Island IPA bottle here. You would just take that portion, pop it up, leverage it up, and pop that open. Very easy. I would, but I'm not ready to drink this yet. The mouth is a little bit tricky to use as an opener. I guess you could, but it doesn't work really well for me. Maybe somebody else is better at using the mouth to open it, but I just can't get it to. So again, this is a wolf_designs48 multi-wolf head. It's made in the US. It's all constructed here. It's very high quality, fantastic fit and finish, certainly well machined. The prices vary from 40 and beyond. This full titanium version costs just north of 100, which might be a little crazy for some people, but I really love the design. I love the materials, and it's very functional, even though I see this as kind of a novelty item, but it's definitely a fun little piece of EDC to carry every day, and I love it very much. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.